Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Impressions Vanity Bijou LED hand mirror. So this mirror was released, I believe, back in December of 2017, and I've had mine for about 5 or 6 months now, and I feel that that's enough time to review it. In the box, you get a soft, dusty bag to store your mirror when traveling, and the actual hand mirror itself, the stand, a magnifying small mirror, along with the charger. The stand is a small round stand that can be used to display your mirror, and it also charges it. It has a very small discreet plug that can be plugged into any USB outlet. This mirror comes in 4 different shades. It comes in glossy white, glossy black, rose gold, and champagne gold, and it retails for $79. The actual mirror has small rhinestones on the handle, and on the bottom you'll see 3 dots. These are used to charge when you sit it on the stand. So this mirror has a touch sensor that allows you to turn it on and off by lightly touching it, and if you hold it down it will dim it to the lowest setting. The mirror is a little bit over 11 inches tall, and I feel that this is the only downfall to this mirror. When I have it standing on my vanity to do my makeup, it's a little bit short for my liking, so I sometimes have to place a thin box to make it higher. I also own the Touch Pro LED, which I did a review on, and I'll go ahead and link it down below for those that are interested. And the reason I brought it up is because this one has completely replaced that mirror. The lighting in the Bijou is so much brighter. I hardly use it at its brightest setting. So this mirror also includes a magnifying mirror that attaches to the actual mirror. This is perfect when you have to groom your brows or want a closer look. I do have an affiliate code with Impressions Vanity that will save you 10% off. I'll go ahead and link it down below, along with all the places that you could purchase this mirror from. So if you're looking for a good hand mirror or a good travel mirror, I truly recommend this one. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.